Hello everyone, my name is Sayed. I am a member of the Lassonde Engineering Society and I am helping organize YEC this year. Before I tell you how to sign up for YEC, let me just quickly tell you what YEC is because some people out there just completely misunderstand what these competitions are. YEC stands for York Engineering Competitions. Every university has its own engineering competitions. So Waterloo has the Waterloo Engineering Competitions. When Western has its own, every university has its own. And the idea is the winners of the competitions of each university move on to participate in the Ontario Engineering Competition. And then the winners of that participate in the Canadian Engineering Competitions. Now, specifically about the competitions themselves, there are 8 categories in each competition. You do not participate in all of them. You sign up to participate in only one of them. You do have the option of doing multiple if you like, but you normally choose to sign up for only one of the 8 categories in the YEC competitions. Each competition is different, so make sure you read about the competitions beforehand. Otherwise, you might sign up for something that you can't commit to, and then you'll get disqualified. This year, York is running 7 of the 8 competitions. One of them is too difficult to do in the online setting, so we decided not to do it. All right, one more thing before I get into the sign up process. The platform that we used last year to communicate with you all was Slack. This year, we are going to use Discord. Yes, it's not exactly a professional use platform, but it has some great features that suit our needs. So if you don't have a Discord account, make one. It's absolutely necessary because our announcements will be made through this. And if you miss some information, you might not do things properly and then you could get disqualified. All right, so now how do you sign up for a competition? Well, first step first, you need a team. So take me, for example. I have no friends. How do I make a team? Well, on this Discord, we have channels where you can chat with others and find a team for yourself. Remember, each competition has different rules on the size of a team, so you need to check that out. If you gather 5 people and realize the competition only takes 4, well, that's an issue you're going to have to deal with somehow. All right, now let's say you have a team. Now comes the actual registration. For that, you head over to our website. The first thing you have to do is buy a ticket to participate in the competition. And again, you have 2 choices. You can buy a ticket or you can complete a small survey so that you can participate in the competition for free. So let's go to the store first. For example, if you were going to buy a ticket, let's say for YEC Junior Design, head over to the page, add this to cart. When you buy a ticket, you'll need to put your email here. Make sure you know what this email is because you will need this when you register as a team. Every single person has to buy their own ticket. No sharing tickets or giving someone else your ticket. Now, the alternate option, if you don't want to buy a ticket, is to complete a survey. You can find the survey over here, where all the competitions are listed on our website. You can select whichever competition it is that you plan on participating in. And then you can see a register your team button and a ticket waiver survey. So you could either buy the ticket from the store or complete the survey here. If you click on this, you'll head over to this page. You might also head over to a page that says you don't have permission to access this form because you are not part of the owner's organization. The reason you got that error is because you're not signed in to your YorkU email. Sign into your YorkU email on your browser and then click on this link. Once we complete the survey, since you mentioned your name and student number, we can identify you and you don't need to worry about a payment of any sort. All right, so now that you've individually registered, either you've completed the survey or bought a ticket, the second thing you need to do, you can't participate if you don't do this. You need to sign up as a team. So one person in your team will head over to this page, to whichever competition it is you plan on participating in, and will fill in the information for all the members. You just click on register your team and competition eligibility, yes, and you can submit. Team member 1, submit your information. Team member 2, submit your information. After you click next, it'll pop up with 4 pages, one after the other, and you submit information for all the members there. Do not send me multiple applications for a single team. Every team should complete only one form. This Google form that you submit will still be available to you so that you can edit it later. So if you complete all the information and click submit, you can still come back to this page and edit your information. So if a team member leaves or gets replaced or you misentered certain information, you can always come back and change it up until the deadline of submission when the forms close. All right, to recap, for signing up, either you buy a ticket or you do a survey. Then you need to complete the application as a team to be registered for the competition. Make sure you join the Discord because we will verify you on the Discord and you will be given permissions to see announcement channels. So, right now, without permissions, you only see these channels here. Once you are registered for a certain competition, you can see the announcements channels here. This is where you'll be given the information. So if you register for programming, you'll be given the information here. Have at least 2 members on your team pay close attention to these channels so that you guys get the information you need. In the online setting that we're in, you can't just walk up to someone and kind of ask for information that way. So please stay connected and attentive. I hope we make your experience worthwhile. I'm excited to see what great things you guys come up with this year. Good luck.